Hello, boys and girls. We have a short story today called The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin. The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin by Sonali, illustrated by Sanja Rescek. The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin rolled down a spooky street. He passed a ghoulish ghost and a stinky goblin's feet. He traveled past a cornfield among some bales of hay. Then the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin quickly bounced away. The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin didn't want to roam. He tried so very hard to find his way back home. Luckily, a passing witch helped him on his way. And the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin was home by end of day. The end. Thank you for joining me for story time today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.